Hey guys, welcome back. So as we have started our journey for learning programming languages, and in the previous video we have discussed, or you can say we have taken the overview and high level understanding of how actually programming languages are understood by the processor, correct? So in that video we had come across a word called machine language. We said that processor only understands machine language. It is not actually aware of any other language other than binary language or machine language. So in this session we are going to discuss in detail we are going to understand some more details about the binary language. Okay, so prior to that, very first thing that you should know, the whole computer world is totally operates on the numbers. So there is no words or no statements, no characters. It's all about numbers, correct? So even data is in different formats. Maybe some language just like our English language, which consists of many different alphabets, different words, different statements, many things related to words. But actually our processor is not at all aware of a single word. It only understands, as I already mentioned, numbers, and precisely 1 and 0. So the whole digital world is working on 1 and 0, correct? So how the different things work and how whatever input it is receiving in different forms, how that is being converted into 1 and 0, that's what we are going to see in this session, correct? So machine language and precisely binary number system. So see, why I said number system and what is the importance of numbers in computer and digital world. So there are 4 number systems. One is decimal, second binary, third octal, fourth hexadecimal. Now to study all this would be a different bigger session and a big task. So I am not going to explain everything in detail in this today's session. So we are restricting our discussion today only to decimal and binary, because just to include this we are able to understand this binary number system. So right now I am not at all discussing about these two, but just to give you idea, it is not only two, there are these two as well which are having a good role in computer systems. Okay. So coming back to decimal number system. So guys, since childhood we are dealing with the numbers in maths. So when we started actually studying maths, we simply started simple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, correct? So that time whatever numbers we are dealing with actually belongs to decimal number system. Just to recall this and to build a base to understand binary number system, I am taking one simple example so that we can step into this particular thing. So let us recall decimal system. So I am taking simple random number 653. Whenever I want to represent decimal, I simply write 10. What does this 10 indicate? It indicates base. So the number having base 10, that means this is decimal number. As simple as that. Let us interpret this decimal number. So what is interpretation? 653. So that means how we studied in school. This 6 is hundreds place, correct? This 5 tens place, am I right? And this 3 is correct, units place, correct? Now hundreds place, as in this 6 is multiplied by 100. What is tens place? This 5 is multiplied by 10. And what is units place? This 3 is multiplied by unity, matlab 1. I am simply doing simple modification. What I am doing is I am expressing this 100, this 10 and this 1 in the power of 10. Why? Because base is 10. So I am expressing this 1, 10 and 100 in the power of 10. So what I will do? I will simply write 6 into, what is 100? Isn't it 10 raised to 2? What is this 10? Isn't it 10 raised to 1? And what is this 1? Anything raised to 0 is 1. So can I write 1 as 10 raised to 0? So starting from the extreme right, as we go up to the left, I am expressing the power as starting with 0, then 1, then 2. If at all I had 4-digit number, so I am taking 4, 3, 6, 2 as a decimal number. So now you can take the interpretation. What is this? 2 into 10 raised to 0. What is this 6? 6 into 10 raised to 1. What is this 3? 3 into 10 raised to 2. And what's supposed to be this 4? 4 into 10 raised to 3. So that is 10 raised to 3 is 1000. So this is 4000. This is 100. So this is 300. This is 6 into 10, 60. And this is 2 into 10 raised to 0 is 1. So 2. So overall I am again getting this number. The intention of telling you all this again is just because the way this particular thing is working, similar basis binary works. But in decimal systems, how many literals or how many numbers we can include or we have? In decimal system, we have the set of 10 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 numbers, dec 10, decimal. What about binary then? It has only 2, 0 and 1. The first difference, first comparison. Decimal has 10 different literals, binary has only 2 literals. Second comparison. What is the base of decimal number system? It's 10. So what's supposed to be the base of binary number system? So just to understand that, I am taking one random number. This is random binary number. What will be the base? For decimal, it is 10. So for binary, it's supposed to be correct. It's 2. So base of the binary number system is 2. Keep comparing. So you will understand this concept more easily. Now I won't say any units place, tens place or hundreds place likewise in this thing. But yeah, interpretation would be on similar basis. Now if I say the decimal number system having base 10, the power we raised were of 10 against respective numbers and added them up. Simply in binary number system, whose power need to be raised? Exactly 2 का power raise करना है. That too from extreme right to left. तो extreme right पे यहाँ पे 1 है और हम लोग को ऐसे जाने का है और यहां से यहां तक पावर रेज करते करते जाने का है. पावर स्टार्ट कहां से होगा? 0 से. 0 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन. लेट अस डू दैट एक्सरसाइज राइट अवे. ये 1 है यहां पे. इस बेसिस पे ये 1 इंटू 2 रेज टू 0 प्लस ये 0 इंटू 2 रेज टू 1 करेक्ट प्लस 1 इंटू 2 रेज टू 0 के बाद 1 के बाद 2 प्लस ये 0 इंटू 2 रेज टू 3 प्लस ये 1 इंटू 2 रेज टू 4 प्लस ये लास्ट 1 इंटू 2 रेज टू 5. Now we are very close. 2 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0? 1. So what is the value? It's simply 1 into 1. 0 into 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. So right now I am writing this. 2 raised to 1 is 2. What about this 2 raised to 2? 1 into 2 raised to 2? 4. What about this 2 raised to 3? 8. What about this 2 raised to 4? 16. And what about this 2 raised to 5? 32. Now, what is this 32 into 1? Simply 32. 16 into 1? 16. 0 into 8? Anything into 0? 0. 1 into 4? 4. Again 0. Again 1. Now if you add all these numbers, what is the outcome? 16 plus 4, 20. 32 plus 20, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. This is decimal 53. So the point here is, whenever computer, or you can say you give input as 53, compiler converts that into binary. That means what input it will give to processor? 1 1 0 1 0 1. Got it? So whenever 53 is input received, compiler convert that to binary or to machine language. That means it will convert into this particular binary number and it will feed to the processor. As simple as that. So I hope this particular thing is clear to you all. So we can likewise express, or you can say convert, the binary numbers into decimal number. Thank you so much.